Hey Vedic Maths Tricks family, Guneet is here and welcome back to another multiplication video on my channel. And if you're new around here, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and share button and join us for a complete detailed course on Vedic Maths. Now today's video is about special multiplication 9 series method 1. So here method 1 means that when both the numbers have same digits. So now let's take an example. So the first question here is 54 multiplied by 99. So here as we can see that 54 also has 2 digits and 99 also has 2 digits. So that falls under method 1 category. So now what we'll do, first we'll subtract 1 from 54. So simply 54 minus 1, which gives you 53. So now write 53, make a partition, 9. This 9 minus this 5 and 9 minus this 3. So we get 5, 3, 9 minus 5 gives you 4 and 9 minus 3 gives you 6. So we get 5346 as the answer. So this trick is that easy. So now let's take another example. So here 73 multiplied by 99. So just simply first subtract 1 from 73. So 73 minus 1 gives you 72. Now write 72 over here. Now first make a partition, 9 minus this 7 and 9 minus this 2. So we get 7. 2, 9 minus 7 gives you 2 and 9 minus 2 gives you 7. So 7227 is the answer. Now let's take a 3-digit question. 322 multiplied by 999. So here same method, minus 1 from 3 to 2. So which we get 321. Now write 321 and here 9 minus 3, make a partition, 9 minus this 2 and 9 minus this 1. Now we get 3, 2, 1. 9 minus 3 gives you 6. 9 minus 2 gives you 7. 9 minus 1 gives you 8. So 3, 2, 1, 6, 7, 8 is the answer. Now let's take another question. 860 multiplied by 999. So here also we'll minus 1 first. So 860 minus 1 gives you 859. Now 859. Now make a partition, 9 minus this 8. Make another partition, 9 minus this 5. Make another partition, 9 minus this 9. So here we get 859. 9 minus 8 gives you 1. 9 minus 5 gives you 4. 9 minus 9 gives you 0. So 859140 is the answer. Now let's take 4-digit question, which is 8871 multiplied by 4 times 9. Now minus 1 from 8871, 8871 minus 1 gives you 8870. Now write 8870 over here. Now make a partition, 9 minus this 8, 9 minus another this 8, 9 minus 7 and 9 minus 0. So here we get 8870. 9 minus 8 gives you 1. 9 minus another 8 gives you 1 again. 9 minus 7 gives you 2 and 9 minus 0 gives you 9. So 88701129 is the answer. Now 9020 multiplied by 4 times 9. So here also subtract 1 from 9020. 9020 minus 1 gives you 9019. Now write 9019. Now here 9 minus this 9, then 9 minus 0, then 9 minus this 1 and in the last 9 minus 9. So here we get 9019. 9 minus 9 gives you 0. 9 minus 0 gives you 9. 9 minus 1 gives you 8 and 9 minus 9 gives you 0. So 90190980 is the answer. So now let's understand method 2 of special multiplication. So by method 2 here we mean that first number is less than the nines. Now let's understand with the help of a question. So the first question is 99 multiplied by 999. So here as we can see that 99 has lesser digit than the 9. So first of all what we'll do is we'll equate the number of digits both the sides. So we'll add 0 over here 099 to equate the digits both the sides. Multiply by 999. Now here the method is again the same. So first we'll minus 1 from 99. So 099 minus 1, which gives you 098. So now write here 098. Now make a partition, 9 minus this 0. Then in the second partition, 9 minus this 9. And in the third partition, 9 minus this 8. So here we get 098. 9 minus 0 gives you 9. 9 minus 9 gives you 0. And 9 minus 8 gives you 1. So here we get 98901 as the answer. Now let's take another example, which is 48 multiplied by 999. So here also first we'll equate the digits. So for 48 we'll write 048. Now we'll minus 1 from it. Now we get 047. Now here write 047. Now make a partition 9 minus 0. Now make a partition 9 minus 4. And 9 minus this 7. So here we get 047. 9 minus 0 gives you 9. 9 minus 4 gives you 5. And 9 minus 7 gives you 2. So the final answer is 47952. Now let's come on to the third question. 476 multiplied by 4 times 9. So here also equating the digits, we'll add 0 before the number. So it will be 0476 minus 1, which gives you 0475. Now again the process is the same. So write 0475, make a partition 9 minus 0, then make another partition 9 minus 4, then make another partition which gives you 9 minus 7, and in the last partition we do 9 minus 5. So it's 0475, 9. 9 minus 4 gives you 5, 9 minus 7 gives you 2, and 9 minus 5 gives you 4. So 475952 is the answer. Now let's take another example. Here also we'll add 0 before the number. So it will be 0668 minus 1, for which we get 0667. Now write 0667. Now make a partition 9 minus 0, then 9 minus 6, then 9 minus 6 again, and then 9 minus 7. So here we get 0667. 9 minus 0 gives you 9. 9 minus 6 gives you 3. 9 minus 6 again gives you 3. And 9 minus 7 gives you 2. So the answer is 6679332. So now in this question, 452 multiplied by 5 nines. So here we have 5 nines. So in order to equate the number of digits, we'll add 2 zeros before the number. So it will be 00452. Now we'll minus 1. So minus 1 gives you 00451. Now the same method, write 00451. Now 9 minus 0. Then again 9 minus another 0, then 9 minus 4, then 9 minus 5, and in the end 9 minus 1. So here we get 00451. 9 minus 0 gives you 9, 9, 5, 4, 8. So the final answer is 451,99548. Now let's come on to the last question, which is 709 multiplied by 5 nines. So this method will also be the same. Now first equate the number of digits by adding 2 zeros. So 00709. Now we'll subtract 1. So we get 00708. Now the method is the same. 9 minus 0. Then again 9 minus the 0. Then again 9 minus 7. Then again 9 minus 0. And 9 minus 8. So here we get 00708, 9 minus 0, 9, 9, 2, 9, 1. So the final answer is 708,99291. I hope you've understood both these methods well. And if you want more such videos, then please hit the like, subscribe and share button to motivate us to make more such learning content for you guys. And please share your suggestions in the comment box below. And if you want practice question book, then please WhatsApp me on the number given on the screen. Thanks for watching.